What's up YouTube? We're back over here. We're going to do an unboxing video today. I'm Mike, this is my channel. This is my son Jaden. We're going to be unboxing the American Changer. The model number is 2225. It's a rear load dual hopper machine. We got this loaded in. Had to do freight, meaning that you had to ship to a business with a forklift. So we got that unloaded. It's pretty heavy. Me and another guy picked this up. And unloaded it, so maybe about 120 pounds. So me and Jaden, we're gonna open this up, see what we're dealing with, and then if you do want to see the installation video, we're gonna be uploading that in a couple days as well. That way you can see the whole process. American Changer coming from Fort Lauderdale. That's why it took so long. Let me pull the camera around. So that's what you're looking at. This is the front without the plate on it. This is the back. You see in there's the locks.
And then the steel part will just screw on.
The plate will screw on the front. Looks like the keys and everything else. So let's put it back on the tripod and we can see what else is in here.
Where's the cutter things?
Right behind you. Oh, good idea. Okay. We got the locks, the keys.
Oh, it comes with that behind.
Looks like the same keys.
Put them back in there so we know where they are.
Yep. Stickers for the changer. There, Jade, we gotta put all this up in there. Pyramid stickers. Charge to the pyramid bill acceptor. Pyramid instructions. Benefits of using tokens. And this is the instruction booklet. So we'll be looking through this when we install the machine. Here, watch it, Jade. I'll put all this stuff together so we don't lose it. And let's see what, oh, yeah, it's heavy.
Should we just try?
Garbage.
Should we try like cutting it on the side and just try pulling it out? Okay, you can go to the camera.
Okay, looks like it's got 2 cords.
There's 2 money slots right up here. If we can turn this around.
Yeah.
Two money slots. So the space looks like a double one.
Yeah, it's double.
Double.
So this is one validator, or acceptor. On the acceptor, all the coins come out the middle.
Then the
You can
red
see all
one.
the circles for the front plate. Let's open up the back and see what we got. Okay, spin the powder.
Is it unlocked?
Yeah, the locks are in the back.
Let's open it up.
Okay, spin those up. Spin those open, JD.
Keep going.
Yeah, spin them open. All the way. Hold on, you gotta do both at the same time.
So it looks like 2 quarter slots. This will be for the right.
That's for all the quarter. No, it's one quarter slot. It's all one giant big old hopper. I believe this will do like $2,000 or $3,000 with the quarters. Forgot what it is. A lot more than I handle right now. Looks like this pulls out a little bit.
And a lot more than the other one, the pain one.
Yep, left side, right side. Here's the two bill
They're
acceptors.
just separated by this thing that we can take off. And
Yep, there's the 2 circuit boards. We can plug those in and test those out when we install it. And this should be pretty simple. Let's open up the front panel, see what that's all about, and go from there. Pretty solid. Hey, leave it on there for now, Jaden. I gotta put it in the truck still.
pretty simple. Just turn on one. Hey.
Here, bring it over here.
This is the
So I got a bag for the stickers, which is weird because they had stickers in the other thing. Oh yeah. So this is the front panel. I'm gonna keep the plastic on now for now until we get shipped it over to install it. Don't move that. But everything looks really good. Pretty simple. These machines are always really simple. Housing, front panel, locks. Overall, I think the worst part about this is just how heavy it weighs. You know, you're gonna need 2 guys to install this. Whereas one of those other single machines, you can do it by yourself, just because it's so heavy. But we're gonna get this mounted in the wall real nice. The rear loader is the way to go. I've seen videos on YouTube of people coming in laundromats, picking these locks within 30 seconds and opening it up, taking out the money and getting out of there in less than 2 minutes. Have the locks behind the wall. You don't have to worry about those quick, easy thieves. And you can make it secure as you want back there. But this is a nice machine. I'm real excited to get this installed. Like I said, check on the next video next couple days. We're gonna do an installation video on this machine. And thanks a lot for watching, guys.